Hi, we are doing logarithm. State whether the following are true or false. Log 1 into log 1000 is 0. Now, what is the value of log 1? It is 0. And what is the value of log 1000? It's 3. So, 0 into 3 is 0. So, this is true. Now, I'll explain you why is log 1 0. Log 1, there is no base. That means the base is 10. Let it be equal to y. Now we know how to change the log form into exponential form. So this will become 10 raised to the power y is equal to 1. Fine. We are exchanging the log with the answer. This is how we change the log form to exponential form. 10 raised to the power y. 1 can be written as any, we know in exponential form, any number raised to the power 0 is always 1. Fine. This is the rule of exponential form. That means this is the rule of exponents. So 1 can be written as 10 raised to the power 0. So what is the value of y? It is 0. Therefore, log 1 is 0. And y is log 1003. Log 1000 can be written as log to the base 10, 10 raised to the power 3. Log 10 raised to the power 3 to the base 10. We know that log of any number to the power, if there is any log with a power, the power come in front. So this can be written as 3 log 10. So 3 log 10 to the base 10, iski value is 1 because any log with the same base value is always 1. So this will become 3 into 1, that is 3. Now the second one we will see log x by log y is equal to log x minus log y. Now we know the rule of the log, or the law of the log is log x by y. That means log is only once. X by y is equal to log x minus log y. Not log, it is not equal to log x by log y. So this is false. Now what is log x by log y? No base means 10 is the base. So whenever the bases are same, this will be log x to the base y. Fine, just for your knowledge I have shown you this. Otherwise you will just follow the rule. Log a minus log b is log a by b, not log a by log b. So this is false. So now we'll see the third one. That is, if log 25 by log 5 is equal to log x, then x is 2. We will find the value of x. Let's see. Log 25 can be written as log 5 raised to the power 2. 5 square is 25. By log 5 is equal to log x. And we know any log raised to any power, the power come in front of the log. So this can be written as 2 log 5 by log 5. 5 square can be written as 2 log 5 is equal to log x. This log and log gets cancelled. Now here what, no base is there, that means the base is 10. Always remember this. So we will change it into exponential form. So this will become 10 square is equal to x. Fine. How to change it, I'll show you that also. Log b to the power a is equal to y hoga. Then a will have a power of y is equal to b. This is how we change it into exponential form, the log into exponential form. So here it was log x to the base 10 is equal to 2. So it will become, base will be the same, the power will become 2 is equal to x. So what did the value of x came out as? X is equal to 100 and not 2. That means this is false. Then x is not 2. X is 100 what we have got. So this is false. Now the fourth one, log x into log y is equal to log x plus log y. Again, what is the rule? Log A plus log B is equal to log A into B, like this. And it is not log A into log B. Therefore, this is an incorrect statement. This is false. Fine. So this is how you will do this.